Okay, use the laser to get our line square with this at a 90. It took a minute, really hard to do, to get it down between all these pegs without ripping or puncturing holes and stuff like that, but we got it. So now we can fold it over and blah, 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 blah. Okay, so finally, y'all forgive my voice, it is all cracking up. Finally, we have got all the prep and cleanup done, except for we got all the prep done. I stopped on the cleanup right here at this line. Just gonna sweep up this one area right here. And we will have all the cleanup done finally. My goodness gracious. Been 3 days cleaning up and prepping, cleaning up and prepping, cleaning up and prepping. And we got our one single run done, lined up off of this at a straight 90. We set my laser up here, flush with this, and got it right down the edge of my carpet there, so I know I'm nice and square. This right here is, these steps were here originally. See the boxes up there? They were steps right here. And the guy from the carpet store, man, I hate talking like this because my voice, but anyway, the guy from the carpet store came and helped me measure this. And he used his laser. And I guess his laser bounced off of the steps that was right here. And it cut this one particular piece 4 foot short. And I think it was just that one particular piece because they had the steps here and they just had one set of steps out so you could see the tunnel. Just see the open space all the way up there to the platform. So that was probably on my next cut. I think it was right over there, if I ain't mistaken. Excuse me, I hate this. If I ain't mistaken, the void was right over there because my next two cuts fit. This one was a little bit short, so was 4 foot short, which is what the steps stick out right there. So I'll bring utility tape and my Cool Glide tomorrow, and I'll put this together. Look here. This does by no means match. I'm gonna have to work this together. It's come off 2 separate rolls. So I'm definitely gonna have to work this. I got them both cut and sealed already, but I'm gonna have to work it. So I'm gonna use my utility tape with the Cool Glide. I'll glue everything up to it, and well, what I'll do is I'll finish gluing this the rest of the way up there, and then to my tape, and then I'll do my seam, and then I'll finish gluing that. But anyway, I don't want to talk a whole lot about this, but I do not like that stuff right there. This is the first time I ever seen it or used it. I don't like it. Super thin. And I am using Orcon Weld Lock for the seam sealer. That is a commercial sealer. Gone over twice here. All the small stuff gone over once. It's good. We are scraped up, swept up, and we are fixing to get the rock out of here. I've already talked to my guys. We are going to come up with extra clothes and stuff like that tomorrow, and plan on just working late and getting a room, coming right back over here Friday. This is like an hour and a half away from the house, so we got 3 hours of driving every day if we go home every night. So we will be staying some nights over here, and tomorrow's going to be one of them nights. Anyway, let's get the rock out of here. I'm tired. So, cheerio. Thank you guys for tuning in to the Daily Grind. Until tomorrow, FBSB's out.